This video will go over your essay 3.2. So with your assignment 3.1, you should have gotten my approval for your two sources that you're going to be using. And so after you receive my approval, you should be finding quotes from your articles and putting it into cards like this. So you're just copying and pasting your quote, you're putting the author's last name, and you're putting the page numbers. Remember to do the references. You have to have the two references so that when you are writing the quotes, you tag it with your reference. Just a reminder to tag that. You would copy and paste your quote here, click on here where it says reference, and tag your source like that. So once you have done that with your two articles, you should have at least 10, if not more. 20 is a good number, 20 quotes like that. Once you are all done with this, you have to save it. Remember, this is so important. You click here, you click where it says save copy as, okay, and just type in whatever you want to write, essay number 3 copy, okay, and then you click on OK. Make sure that you save a copy of it, and to make sure that it was done correctly, you go down here, and here's the copy that I made, so it was done correctly. All right, now you're ready to actually write your essay 3.2. So read the directions for the essay, what's needed. All it needs is two paragraphs. One is summary and the other one is response. So you add two decks like that, and one is the summary and the other one is the response. So remember, for essay number 3.2, you only need two paragraphs. One is summary and the other one is response. Now within the summary, you have to follow the article source introduction formula. So you have two articles, so you need two of these. So make sure that you have two cards that has your article source introduction formula. So here's a student sample with the summary and response. So within the summary, she has the introduction of article number 1, and she followed the format, okay, and she has another quote, a card that has the introduction of article number 2, and she followed the format for the article number 2. So this is exactly what you should have in the summary. You should have at least two cards with the introduction of article number 1 and introduction of article number 2 using the summary article source introduction formula. Now the next step is where it gets a little bit confusing. So now that you have all of these great quotes, you're going to try to figure out what quote best fits in your essay number 3.2. So now remember, you should have anywhere from 20 to 40 quotes, and there's no way you're going to use all 40 quotes in your essay number 3, because essay number 3 is only going to be 2 pages. And so what you're going to be doing is finding about 5 quotes that you really like and that you want to highlight into your essay. So let's go through this, and let's pretend that I like this quote and I want to use this for part of my summary. Okay, and so what you do is you click here where it says move this card, and you're going to say, I want to move it into my summary, right? So click here where it says move into this deck. Yes, I do want to do that. And so now if you take a look, this card that used to be in this deck has now magically moved into the summary deck. Okay, see where it says 11, it used to have 12, but now it's missing because it is now in here. And so that's exactly what you're going to be doing. You're just going to continue and look through your cards, okay, and say, hey, you know what, I really like this one. Maybe that can go into my response, okay, deck. So you click that and put that in here. And so now, look, it's now in my response deck, okay. You're going to do that with the other article as well, right? Let's say I like this one. I'm going to move it, and I'm going to put that into my summary deck, okay. So now it's in here. So see that it's in here. Okay. And then, you know, I like this one, and I'm going to move this into my, I'm going to move this card into my response deck, okay, etc. And so that's what you're doing. You're just moving about 5 of your cards into your summary and response deck. So let's take a look at a student sample. So this is a student sample. So she has the summary and response. Those are the two decks that she has. The summary has the introduction of article number 1, right? It's using the summary article source introduction formula. Okay. And then the next card, she has something from the article. She has another one from the article. So here's the introduction of article number 2. She's using the formula again. Okay, and then she has another quote that she wants to use, okay, and another quote that she wants to use, okay. So and she decided to use 4 cards in here. And so let's take a look at the response. Okay, so here's the response of the articles, right? So she said, you know, this article, the articles were eye-opening, right? And so here are some of the thoughts that she has. And then she decided to use these cards as part of her response, okay, and then the conclusion. Okay. And so that's exactly what you're going to be doing. So again, you're moving your cards over into your summary and response deck. You should have a minimum of 5 cards, if not more if you like. But remember, this essay is very short. It's only going to be 2 pages. One more thing, when you are exporting it to upload into the assignment, you will export it, right? So click on export. Students have said that PDF is just easier to upload into Canvas. So if you'd like to do that, please do so. This is important. Settings. I would like for you to click on settings and make sure that these things are checked off. Right here where it says related reference, that should be checked off. And references also should be checked off. Okay. That means that when you are exporting your Supernote cards, the little cards will show the little tags that you made. Okay, so that just shows me where you're getting your quotes. Okay, so hopefully this was helpful for your essay number 3.